Food companies are tricking seniors with healthy labels while hiding shocking amounts of sugar that can spike blood pressure and worsen diabetes. Let's expose the truth. This popular oatmeal packet? 12 grams of sugar. That's 3 sugar cubes. A glazed donut? Only 10 grams. The healthy breakfast wins. This cranberry juice marketed for heart health? 36 grams. 9 sugar cubes. That's like drinking liquid candy. This senior-friendly granola bar? 14 grams of sugar, plus it's marketed as a protein snack. And this vanilla Greek yogurt labeled as calcium-rich for bones? 20 grams of added sugar. Here's why this matters for seniors. High sugar intake increases inflammation, worsens arthritis pain, spikes blood sugar, and can lead to heart problems, the exact opposite of what these foods promise. Always check the nutrition label, not just the front packaging. Look for less than 6 grams of added sugar per serving. Choose plain yogurt and add fresh berries instead. What food sugar content shocked you most? Comment below and help other seniors avoid these sugar traps.